There, Natalie. Here, Mom.
Like,
Here, Mom.
no, not the closet. You're getting nothing.
Nothing.
That's what you used to be like. You was definitely afraid of fireworks. You were more fun than fire. I had to keep you in the house. You had to fix all your things.
Mama, not right.
What are you talking about, Nathan?
Is fire live?
Yes.
Is it real?
It's real if you touch it.
That's it, too.
That's a big one.
Fire. I never saw fire. I seen it at Dad's house when we were.
Look over there behind camera.
Oh, look right there, right there.
Oh, snap.
Oh, look. That was a big one.
Let's go one time. Oh, green side.
Oh, you killed my vibe.
You want to do a ladybug too?
Oh, ladybug. I want to see that.
All right.
Here you go, Nate.
Hey, watch out.
Oh, get a ladybug too.
Hey, just grab it.
Watch that, Cameron.
Spin it, spin it. That's like, no. In the street.
It's kind of good that the ground is a little damp. There you go.
There.
There you go, Nate.
Alright, now there's a ladybug.
Oh.
Okay, she lighted daddy. Alright, now.
Go with
You have
that.
to put it on. Go,
Come on,
daddy.
Sue.
Don't divide it in your hand.
Can't see nothing right now.
Come on, Sue.
Cameron, look. I can imagine someone.
Bring your trash
Look,
over here.
right
Don't
here.
leave it in the street. Bring it right here.
Stop now.
See this green? Look, come over this side.
Hold up.
You literally can't see anything through this.
Can you see me now?
No, they can't see you.
What was that, Rafa?
I don't know.
That's what I'm telling y'all.
I hit the truck.
Move it down. That's the way up.
You want to use that one, Nate? That was pretty cool.
Look, Tootie, look. Oh, that was a good one.
That'd be a great down if we move.
Huh?
That'd be great if we move down. Come on, now you can watch out. It was like.
Now let's get it.
Hey, who's supposed to be the thing?
What thing? What?
What happened?
It's that.
Daddy, I'm gonna do this one.
Just wait.
Hold up. That was on point.
I'm gonna go like.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I see one?
Wait. Whoa.
You met Pearl.
Yes.
I'm ready to do
Who
this
closed the back of
one.
my car?
What?
Who closed the back of my car?
I don't, not me.
I don't know.
I thought, what's his name? Uncle Anthony did. He's right behind me.
Ready to do this one.
Nathan, we need to move down.
Hold it back.
What are these? Oh, these are... Yeah, you remember the bunker bus?
The little dynamite?
Put this one on. Just have one for him.
Daddy.
You right on. What?
Hold up.
And I missed it.
You still recording? You still recording?
Yes, sir.
I have this.
Nathan wants to do that little ghost.